Hi everybody, welcome back to On to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can stream on TikTok. So to get started, go ahead and open up TikTok application. Once you open TikTok application, you'll be appear with the FYP of TikTok. So what you can do now is, now let me tell you something that in order to stream on TikTok, you will at least have to have 1000 followers or above. Once it's done, go ahead and tap the plus icon which is appear on the center of the screen. Now here what I can do is tap on live and tap on go live. You can also add effects, beauty, and you can also flip the camera and change the settings, and there are many other more options. Once it's done, you will be successfully able to stream on TikTok. So this is how easily it is done. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.